Hello, namaste, vanakkam, namaskara. How are you all doing? Doing good? Right? Flashing beautiful smiles on your face. Yes, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos. I render heartfelt thanks for all the viewers and the subscribers for their unwavering support. Thank you so much. Today's video is a pretty interesting video as how to sharpen blunt scissors without using any tool. Pretty excited to know. Without any delay, let's get into the video now. It's 100% working, so you can try out this and post me your views in the comment section. You take a plain white paper as shown in the picture. You can use A4 paper. I have taken a book and got a page from it, and now you fold it into multiple times. If any of you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive the notifications without fail. And thank you for subscribing to Flying Skies One. Please support and encourage me to keep me going. Now, as shown in the picture, take the blunt scissors and with the help of it, you try to cut the folded paper into small pieces. Initially, you feel a bit difficult to cut the paper, but once you start cutting the paper, the scissors would cut across rapidly as it gets sharpened. Now take the plain paper without folding the paper, you just cut the paper. Now repeat this process as fold and cut without folding 2 to 3 times. And if you're a craft lover, you can try some interesting crafts with the paper, right? Now you put the scissors aside without cutting anything the whole day. That's it, it's done. It's simple and easy, isn't it? Did any of you try this method? Let me know in the comment section with your feedback, right? Okay, for better results, check the next day to see your scissors sharpened. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. Flying Skies One. Meet you in the next video. Have a good day. Keep smiling.